All right, guy. Today I gonna install the they call the Fender quick release. This set come from the bow outfitter company. So I've been using the water pipe in the rod holder, and it worked fine. It work okay. But the thing is, it take up my rod holder if I need it. So that's why I install the set to hold my Fender. Normally I take it out when I on the way or I trailer my boat. So that's why it more convenient for me to just take it off. All right, so the process to install is very quick and easy, straightforward. So I'm gonna mark down the 4 spots that I need to install though. 2 on the dock side and then the other 2 on the starboard. Yep, after the install gonna be good. Alright, so the process to install is very simple. I just use the 1A drill bit to drill the If you guys don't want to break the shell code, you guys can revert the drill bit, and then after that, after the shell code, you guys can go forward with it. So after I drill it, just go into the West Marine and buy some stainless steel screw and then just put it in 2 each. Easy and simple. All right, after make the holes, we'll put the screw in. It should be easy and straightforward, but just make sure that the screw gonna be go all the way in. All right, that's it. Tie and secure. All right, so now just try to put it in and take it out. So my Fender, I just put it in. See, secure and nice. Easy to take it out too. You can take it out and put it in one hand. So it just take a second to put it in and take it out. Sorry for the camera. It not point to the thing because I do it by myself. So doing it and then video it. So that's why. Here you go. Put it in, take it out in the same hand, one hand. Easy and secure, nice. Highly recommend it from bow outfitter. Yup, that's it, it's done. The installation total maybe 2 minutes each. So it takes me about 10-15 minutes to install 4. Recently I installed a lot of rod holder on the on my boat. It's the same company. Good and quality, and it matching my Sihan. Yup. 4 total, two on both sides, 2 on each side. But mostly I use the dock side than more than the starboard. All right. After this, I'm gonna install the drain plug from the same company too. My boat have the orange, drain plug from the Sea Hunt, but the thing is that one it leak a little bit. It's not a lot, but because it don't have a rubber, and then it just lying around when the guy take it out. It have a lot of chance to lose it, so I want to install something that it just attached to the boat, so it go nowhere and it's convenient for those guys who take it out and then put it in. So basically the same plug, but this one is stainless steel, and then it have a rubber thing on it, so it prevent water leaking into my boat. Yeah, now I just put it in, and then we'll open the cap on the top. And then put the split ring on the cable. We'll show you the cable. The cable is kind of small and short, but it's long enough for it work, That is the cable. So split ring. So I'm gonna put the split ring on it, and then we'll try it out and then see if it works. All right, simple and easy, done. Now the moment of the truth. It's working now. See? Simple and easy. That's all it does. All right, so now it's just there. Good and nice. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you.